Hi, I'm going to show you two different ways how you can find the classes that you want to find and then how to register for them. And one important thing that you should make right at all cost. I did it wrong once, it's a lot of effort. And finally, I'm going to show you where you can find all of the lecture materials like lecture slides, where you can submit reports and so on. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the TUMonline website or Campus TUM. You can just type in campus.tum.de, and once you do this, you'll end up on this website here. On the right side, you can log in with your TUM ID and your password. Next, there are some messages. You can read through them or just skip them. And once you're there, you'll be in your Campus Online. So go to Studies and Courses, and here you'll find courses and study status and curriculum. And those are the two different ways in which you can find the courses that you want to choose. I've bookmarked them here, as you can see, so that means they will be shown under my favorites. So just a nice way to save time, I guess, and it just comes in handy. So those are already the two different ways: study status, curriculum, and courses. We're going to click on courses, and it will lead us to this search page. Once we are on the overview of courses, we can select different filters that we can apply for our search. First of all, the semester that you're in, then the curriculum, which just is basically your degree that you're doing. You don't have to worry about it actually. In theory, you can use these filters, but I never use them. It works perfectly fine. If you already know which course you want to take, you can just type in the course that you want to take. So let's say artificial intelligence something, and then just hit enter and you'll be shown all of the courses that have artificial intelligence in them. If you know the exact name, just type it in here. Let's say we're going to look for artificial intelligence in automotive engineering, and we're going to hit enter, and now you see, okay, well, we have two different ones. This just means, well, there's one main lecture and one exercise, and you probably have to register for both of them. But this is one way to find the courses. So if we now click on the course, we're going to see the overview. So this means you'll be shown like title, who's the person, who's the lecturer, the course languages, and then you can see like a bunch of information. So this is basically relevant when you can choose your own classes. In the first semesters, at least in the bachelor's degrees, it's very likely that you already have a given schedule. So you just go ahead and sign up, and you can read through it if you want to, but it's not too relevant. So this is maybe more relevant when you are able to select classes like electives in later semesters. But then you can read through all of this, the previous knowledge expected, objective, and so on. Also, you'll see the dates and groups. So you'll see, okay, this class starts on Thursday, starting from 17th of October until 6th of February. So this just means, well, it's every Thursday. But for some classes might be different. Maybe there's like just irregular lectures. There might be one on a Saturday, one on a Monday. And so you'll find all of these dates here, just for checking if you're available. Once you sign up, you'll find it in your calendar. Now, before we're going to take a look at how to register for the classes, and again, there's one thing that you should pay attention to. We're going to go back and look at the second way, which gives you a better overview, in my opinion. By the way, if you have any questions, any struggles, whatever, just put them in the comments. I'll not be able to answer all of them, but if there is one problem that is reoccurring several times, I'll maybe be able to make a video about it. Or maybe a live stream, I don't know. Would you be interested in a live stream? Let me know in the comments, please. Okay, let's continue. So again, if you know the names of the courses, you can just go ahead, go to courses and search for them. But if you want to have an overview of what other classes you will have, or if you can choose electives, this is a perfect overview. So you're going to go and click on study status or curriculum. Then it will take a while and you'll click on your degree that you're doing right now. It will take a while again. And now you're going to see your study tree. So this is the name of your program. And then you'll see, well, specializations. Maybe it says something like first semester, second semester. And then you'll find electives and so on. So we're just going to select one of the things. So we're just going to choose electives. And now you'll find a lot of different electives that you can choose. This is very nice because you can now see what different options you have and you can just read through all of them. So typically when you have the option to choose electives, I'll just go through all of them. Okay, what sounds interesting to me? Okay, electric small power machines, interesting. Let's click on it. Okay, this is not available this semester because otherwise there would be a green tea. Let's look for a green tea. Oh, let's see. Okay, so this class is offered right now, so we can apply for it. As you can see, there's the T. So registration is open. You'll see, first of all, this is the course. And those two parts belong to the course. The green dot, the green circle, is the exam. As you can see, you can right now not sign up for the exam because the exam date is not entered. But once the exam date is entered, this will happen during the semester, so don't worry if you cannot sign up for the exam yet. You can sign up here. You can register. Then the red triangle is the course itself. And to register, you'll open this, so click on it, and then click on this green arrow. It's very similar if you look for courses in the courses application. So you're going to look for the keyword that you're looking for. Just go to a course registration, and then you'll come to this page. This is your degree. This here is the title of the class. And now you'll see how you can register for it. This thing here is important. This means you'll first select your curriculum context. There are different types of classes. There are classes with unlimited or unrestricted participant numbers. It is the case with this one. So you see maximum unlimited. There are already 908 people that have signed up for this class. You can go ahead and now select your curriculum context. This is the important part I was mentioning earlier. Make sure to not just click on the first thing, but instead choose the right thing that applies to you. If you hit free registration, it means you will not get credits for this. It's fine if you just want to listen to it, but like typically you want to get credits for it. So you're going to choose which one applies for you right now. So either it will be maybe electives or specializations. Click on it and then enter place request. So enter place request again. And now it says successfully applied for this course. And typically then you're not signed up already. It will take a while. So as it says here, it says check requirements. And this is just an automatic process. So for classes with unlimited places, you'll get in. So this just takes a while until the system updates, maybe 5 minutes. For other classes, it will take like a day or two. Just don't worry about it. If it has unlimited places, you're good to go. For some classes, and I'm going to find one, there are limited places. So I found another class right now. It's called Lead User Project. I don't know what it is about, but it doesn't matter. This course has limited places. As you can see, there are a maximum of 18 participants. And here you're going to select again whatever you want to select. And then here you have to check which group you want to participate. Maybe there are different groups. So let's say there's one group on Tuesday mornings, one group on Friday mornings. You can just select whatever suits you better, basically. Or maybe you'll see different groups with different lecturers and you like one lecturer more than the other one. So just go ahead and decide for yourself. And then here you can edit preferences. So let's say you have 5 different classes that you want to participate. All of them have limited places. So you can choose, okay, if I only get like 1 or 2 of them, which one would I like to have? And then you can click on high or low, depending on your preferences. You're going to click on enter place request. I'm not going to do that since it has limited places and I don't want to take a spot from anyone else. If you don't have time for limited classes, don't sign up for them, because otherwise you might take away a spot from somebody else. And yeah, that's basically it. So congrats, you now signed up for all of the classes you wanted to have. However, where's the overview? So if you want to see an overview, you're just going to click on courses again. And now up here, there's something called My Courses. So these are all of the courses you applied for. And you'll see, well, okay, assign confirmed place or check requirements. This might be the case because, first of all, the system hasn't updated yet, or because it might be a limited course and you haven't been assigned a seat yet. For some classes, you will also find some information on how the participants are selected for limited places. So as you can see here, well, this is in German, but this just means, well, people who have it in the curriculum, they're gonna be chosen first instead of people who just don't want to get credits for it, who just want to listen. Second of all, it's about the credits you already have. So people who are closer to finishing their degree, they will get chosen more likely because they don't have more chances to take this class in, let's say, the next semesters. But maybe you have because you're in your first semester. Also, if you want to, you can add bookmark. So then you'll see this class in my bookmark courses. In general, if you want to bookmark courses, you can just click on the star and they will be shown up in my bookmark courses. So this is, for example, handy if you haven't decided for which courses you want to sign up for and you want to compare them. So you're just going to have a list of the courses that are interesting to you. Finally, now that you signed up, we're going to look where you can find all of the lecture materials. So you're going to go to moodle.tum.de. And here you're gonna log in with your TUM ID. So again, same thing as before. And here you will find the classes that you have and you can click on them. And once you're in there, you will see, well, those are the different lecture slides. Sometimes there are some tasks or some documents, some, let's say, homework that you have to upload here, and you can do everything on this part. Okay, see you in the next one.